This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos to your PC and accept the permission. So this is very easy. I have this little USB cable that goes over to my computer, and all I have to do is plug this in on the bottom just like this. So I'm going to plug it in. Now to accept the permission so you can see the files on your computer, all you have to do is swipe on down from the top left. So let's swipe on down from the top left. And we can see all these different options on here. You can see it's charging. There might be an option under here. So let's go to USB for file transfer and tap this. And when we tap this, we want to make sure it's not set to charging. So yours might be like set to charging phone only. We want to go to transferring files right there for Android Auto. Once we set this open, you'll see File Explorer open on your PC. And then you can just go into the DCIM folder. And then you should be able to access your pictures from there. So mine is actually up right now. I can take my camera, and this is what popped up for me. I can go over here, and I can see I have File Explorer open. I can just go into my internal storage, and then look for pictures or DCIM. Let's go to DCIM, go to camera. And you might see some things in here. I'm not sure if this is my Motorola. Oh, this is my Samsung. I don't have any pictures on there. But yeah, just go into your pictures folder and you should be able to find everything now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.